Hello and welcome. It's good to have you here again. I am Oluwakemi and this is question 3 of the Economics WAEC exam 2018. The question goes thus: the organization of productive factors is the responsibility of the one of these given options. Remember that in economics, the factors of production include land, labor, capital, and ultimately entrepreneurship. Okay, good. Considering the fact that entrepreneurship as a factor of production, leaving some debates aside that has that has so many factors of production, okay, in the market, entrepreneurs combine the other factors of production, land, labor, capital, in order to make profit. And entrepreneurs are seen as innovators, developing new ideas or new ways to produce new products. So ultimately, let's go back to the question. The organization of productive factors is the responsibility of the A, management, no. B, entrepreneur, yes. C, production manager, no. D, labor union, no. So answer option B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.